Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you 9 Christmas door decoration ideas. If you're looking to make a stunning first impression this Christmas season, I've got some unique modern Christmas door decoration ideas for 2024 that will make your front door the star of the neighborhood. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more creative home decor inspiration. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Decor with big ornaments. Add a bold statement to your door with oversized Christmas ornaments in metallic or matte finishes. Hang them from the center of a wreath or suspend them asymmetrically around the doorframe for a modern twist. Pair with greenery and twinkling lights for a festive and luxurious look. 2. Decor with garland. Drape a festive garland around your doorframe for a grand, inviting entrance. Whether you choose a lush green garland embellished with ornaments and ribbons or a simple pine garland with twinkling lights, it's a great way to make your doorway stand out. 3. Love for lighting fixtures. Illuminate your entrance with elegant lighting fixtures this Christmas by framing your door with string lights or LED fairy curtains. Add decorative lanterns or sconces with festive accents like pine cones and ribbons for a cozy glow. Highlight the lighting with a sparkling wreath or garland for a truly magical touch. 4. Make it deer. Enhance your door decor with charming deer accents for a whimsical holiday touch. Place sleek metal or wooden deer figurines beside the entrance, or incorporate a deer motif into your wreath or garland. Add twinkling lights and snowy details for a cozy, woodland-inspired vibe. 5. Decor with snowman. Bring festive cheer to your door with a jolly snowman figure and complimentary holiday models like Santa or reindeer. Arrange life-sized or tabletop versions beside your entrance, accented with faux snow and twinkling lights. Complete the look with a wreath or garland featuring matching wintry details for a magical scene. 6. Christmas sled. Add rustic charm to your Christmas door decor with a beautifully decorated sled leaning against the entrance. Adorn it with fresh greenery, twinkling lights, and festive ribbons for a cozy, nostalgic vibe. Pair it with lanterns or faux snow for a winter wonderland effect. 7. Decor with tree. Frame your entrance with a pair of miniature Christmas trees adorned with ornaments, ribbons, and warm lights for a symmetrical and inviting look. Use modern planters or baskets to ground the trees in style. Complement the setup with a matching wreath or garland for a cohesive holiday vibe. 8. Decor with big bells. Create a grand entrance with oversized Christmas bells hanging from a festive wreath or garland on your door. Choose metallic or matte finishes accented with ribbons and pine sprigs for a modern touch. Add twinkling lights or frosted details to enhance the holiday charm. 9. Decor with wreaths. Elevate your holiday entrance with a stunning Christmas wreath featuring modern materials like eucalyptus, ornaments, or fairy lights. Opt for unique shapes like square or asymmetrical designs for a contemporary twist. Add a bold ribbon or monogram for a personalized and festive touch. Bring the magic of the holidays to life with these creative and modern Christmas door decoration ideas. Whether it's with oversized ornaments, dazzling lights, or charming wreaths, your door can set the perfect festive tone. Don't forget to share the holiday spirit by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video for more inspiring decor tips. Happy holidays!